Welcome to my channel. My name is Don Smart. I think it's being funny. It's like, they are playing hide and seek. The conundrum between the special prosecutor and then the former Bola minister, Cecilia Dapaah. So now I'm thinking how the special prosecutor, he pulled this one off. Okay. So I think maybe like he was there and then he picked the phone. Okay. I was like, Honorable, good evening. Please come for your money. As the court ordered that I should give you your money and then also unfreeze your account, I have unfrozen your account, but then kindly come for your money. And maybe the woman, Charlie, she went with her lawyers. So let's say they take about 20 minutes and then they get there, they get to the office of the special prosecutor and then he gives them a sitting and he'll be like, Honorable, how are you? And she say, Oh, I'm fine. Then they talk for like 5 minutes and then oh he will say that, oh, Honorable, this is your money. Okay. And so those monies were $590,000 and almost 2.8 million Ghana cedis. Yes, $590,000 in cash and almost 2.8 million Ghana cedis. And so let's say the special prosecutor then gives the money to the woman, and halfway when she's almost getting out of the premises of the special prosecutor, the special prosecutor then calls her and then will be like, Honorable, please, you have forgotten something. Please come with your lawyers for the things and then please come and listen to something I have for you. And then when they get there, the special prosecutor then tells the woman that, please, Honorable, please give me the bag of money. I have re-seized the monies again and refrozen your account again. I think this how the special prosecutor, did the whole show. All right. So now for those of you who are wondering how or how this happened or what I'm talking about, okay. If you don't remember, a few weeks ago, we all heard that the special prosecutor had gone to the house of the former Bola minister. Before that, okay, we heard that, or it came out that the former Bola minister's two housemates had stolen $1 million in cash. Yes, $1 million in cash, full cash, 300,000 euros, and some thousands of currencies and some items somewhere amounting to $39,000 and plus, and some thousands of cities as well. Okay, so the special prosecutor, who is the one responsible to deal with corruption and corruption related issues, then come on, got interested or had interest in the issue because people are talking like, come on, like how can the minister have such an amount in the house? Meanwhile, her government was telling Ghanaians to send the foreign currencies to the bank. So why would you keep such monies in your house or in your home? And it was said that it was even under her bed. That's how come her mates were able to steal such amounts and buy houses, buy cars and stuff, and even give some to their ex-boyfriends. Yes, so the special prosecutor then got interested, went to the house of the minister, and then he even got more money from there. So that's how come he got the $590,000 from a home after those mates had stolen the millions of dollars and euros and cedis. No, yes, he again found $590,000 and almost 2.8 million Ghana cedis. And so the special prosecutor then seized the monies and also froze two accounts belonging to the woman. Now she had two accounts, okay, one with Prudential Bank and then the other with Societe Generale Ghana Bank. So the Prudential Bank had an amount of, if I mention this amount, you're going to be shocked. She had an amount of $5 million in there. Yes, she had done transactions with that amount to the tune of $5 million. And also, the other account had 48 million Ghana cedis in it. Yes, 48 million Ghana cedis. Also, the other one with the other bank, Societe Generale, she had 700,000 Ghana cedis in cash in that account, and also had an investment of 1 million Ghana cedis. Hey, a minister. Now, even if she works, even if she were to be in this government for 8 years, she can't make those amounts which were in the account. Okay, so the special prosecutor then sees the monies and also froze the account. And then a few, and then, okay, so he then went to court and then was asking for the permission of the court to keep on seizing the money and then freezing the accounts because he can't freeze it forever unless the court gives him the order to, seize it until investigations are done and until the woman is able to explain how she got those monies. Yeah, so after the case went to court, the judge ruled in favor of the woman, saying that the special prosecutor acted, based on sentiment and based on public sentiment and what the public were saying. The judge gave some reasons, which I'll share with you later. Okay, and so that was why the monies were frozen. So, just yesterday, which was the 5th of September, the special prosecutor unfreezed the account and then froze the account back and seized the monies back, which he gave to the special prosecutor. Now, before I continue, before I bring to you the statements which the special prosecutor released, if you are watching me for the first time, okay, don't forget to like this video. Yes, I can't do it without you. Comment as well. What do you think about this issue, actually? Because this issue, this confusion, this fracas, this conundrum is getting out of hand. But then for me, I think the special prosecutor is doing a very good job and he needs to be congratulated or given a thumbs up. Kudos to the special prosecutor. No wonder he went to Accra. He's a proud Bloby. No wonder he went to the Premier University. So without me talking that much, let me bring you a statement which the special prosecutor issued. Again, if you're watching me for the first time or if you've been watching me, don't forget to like this video. Okay, yes, I can't do it without you. Comment as well and also share, and finally subscribe to my channel. Yes, Ubuntu I am because you are. So let's go. All right, now let's dive right into the press statement which the office of the special prosecutor released. Then before I take you through that statement, I think there's some important things in there which I need to explain to you before we dive into the statement, because you would find those things in the statement and I want you to really appreciate the statement when I mention those things to you. So such things include tainted property, and a tainted property means that it's a property that has been obtained through an unlawful act, the most common being stealing. So that's the meaning of a tainted property. They went on to give an example, says that if someone gives you something that they obtained illegally, the proceeds of a crime, you are in possession of a tainted property. So you'll find that in the statement as well. He also went on to talk about LI 2374, which has to do with the management of currency, which is suspected to be obtained through corruption. Okay, and also it also talks about the seizure, the confiscation, the freezing, and also the search. Okay, of one's house and then the seizing of property, like as he has done. And he also quoted Section 38(1) of the Special Prosecutor Act 2007, Act 959. And so the 38 talks about a freezing order or the freezing of property. So 38(1) says that where the special prosecutor considers that freezing of property is necessary to facilitate an investigation or prosecution, the special prosecutor shall in writing direct the freezing of A, the property of a person or entity being investigated, or B, specified property held by a person or entity other than the person or entity being investigated or prosecuted. Yes, so those are the things which I think you should know. Now, let me take you through the statements which the special prosecutor released yesterday. So, press release, Cecilia, Dapaah. So, it's like the Office of the Special Prosecutor, OSP, has complied with the ruling and order of the High Court, Accra, dated 31st August 2023. Now, in case you have forgotten, just a few days ago, the Accra High Court ordered the special prosecutor to release the seized property, the seized monies which the special prosecutor seized, and then also the accounts which the OSP froze. The court ordered that the special prosecutor unfreeze the accounts of the minister, and also give her back the monies which were seized. So it says that, let me take the letter again. It says that the office of the special prosecutor, OSP, has complied with the ruling and order of the High Court, Accra, dated 31st August 2023, by unfreezing the frozen bank accounts and investments of Cecilia and Dapaah. The OSP has also retained the seized cash sums of Ms. Dapaah in the presence of an accent of Ms. Dapaah and her lawyers. The satisfaction by the OSP of the order of the High Court terminates the proceedings of the seizure of the cash amounts from Ms. Dapaah commenced on 24 July 2023, and the freezing of her bank accounts and investments effected from 26 July 2023. However, the investigation by the OSP in respect of Ms. Dapaah for suspected corruption and corruption-related offences involving the ownership and sources of large amounts of money associated with Ms. Dapaah has been and is still ongoing. Subsequent to the indicated ruling and order of the High Court and the compliance by the OSP with said ruling and order, the ongoing investigation by the OSP of Ms. Dapaah has uncovered varying and sometimes conflicting accounts of the ownership and sources of the large amount of money reportedly stolen from her residence, the cash amount seized from her by the OSP, and the nature and volume of transactions in the bank accounts and investments. Consequently, subsequent to the indicated ruling and order of the High Court and the compliance by the OSP with said ruling and order, the special prosecutor considers that freezing the bank accounts and investments of Ms. Dapaah is necessary to facilitate the ongoing investigation. Therefore, the special prosecutor has invoked his statutory power under Section 38(1) of Act 959 and Regulation 19(1) of LI 2374 by directing the freezing of the bank accounts and investments of Ms. Dapaah effective 5th September 2023. Further, subsequent to the indicated ruling and order of the High Court and the compliance by the OSP with said ruling and order, the special prosecutor considers that he has reasonable grounds to suspect that the cash amount seized from and returned to Ms. Dapaah is tainted property and is necessary to exercise the power of seizure and to prevent the concealment or loss of said cash amounts. Therefore, the special prosecutor has again invoked his statutory power under Section 32(1)(a) of Act 959 by directing the seizure from Ms. Dapaah of the cash amounts previously seized from her. Authorized officers of the OSP have seized said cash amount from Ms. Dapaah. Signed, Kisi Ejabin, Special Prosecutor, 5th September 2023. Alright, so this is the whole issue. So from the letter, as we all heard, the woman could not explain how she came about $5 million in her account, 48 million Ghana cedis, which were all found in the account. Okay, $590,000, which were found in the home, and almost 2.8 million Ghana cedis, which were found in the house. She cannot explain, and even if she explains those things, what she is explaining that does not add up. And so, like, that's why the OSP is saying that those monies tainted and has seized it and frozen the accounts. Because why do you have money? You can't explain where you got those monies from. Because if it were to be an ordinary Ghanaian, that person would be languishing in jail by now. But because she was a minister, they are taking it slow on her. Now, if you're watching me for the first time, or if you have been watching me, Don't forget to like this video, comment as well. What is your opinion on this issue? Okay, share your comments in the comment section below. Share this video and also subscribe to my channel as well. So see you in my next video. Bye.